Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play Two-Step by Ed Sheeran on guitar using easy open chords. Now, playing this song fingerstyle requires that you play bar chords. Now, if you want to learn this song fingerstyle, use the link in the description below to get to my fingerstyle lesson on this song. So this tutorial is for those of you who can't play bar chords. We can strum basic chords and get us through the song. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E. We're going to be playing an E minor chord, a G chord, D, back to E minor, C, D, C, and B7. And we'll be repeating those chords throughout the song. We'll strum them this way. That's a straight ahead, down up pattern. And we can get away with that for this song. You will have to, however, switch chords pretty quickly in order to play it, but you can do that with a little practice. We're going to start with an E minor chord, G, D, E minor, C, D, C, B7, like that. So it's you can play that and it will get you all the way through the song. Now once you've worked on it and got it up to speed, it'll sound something like this. Well, alright my friends, that's how I play Ed Sheeran's Two-Step with easy open chords. Now if you want to learn this song fingerstyle, use the link in the description below to get to my fingerstyle lesson on this song. So once again, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.